Hi guys, how you all doing? It's been a long time I haven't been on here. Wanted to say a big hello. It's just been busy the past few months. It's so many things happening, graduation, lots of events going on, travels and what have you. And yeah, but I have a very fun video for you guys today. We're about to head into Restoration Hardware. We have dinner at the rooftop, but we want to check out the gallery first and see, their new designs and everything. I know the Pantone color of the year is cocoa brown, if I'm not mistaken. So I've been here at Restoration Hardware a couple weeks ago, and they have a lot of, cocoa brown in their aesthetic designs and what have you. So I wanted to share that with you guys, draw some inspiration for that from that. And I'm giving my oldest son a makeover. He's giving my oldest son's bedroom a makeover. He loves all things Restoration Hardware. He loves the designs and everything, and he said, "Mommy, I want my room to have that same aesthetic." I'm like, "Say no more, boy. That is what you're gonna get." So I'm here to draw inspiration and to have you guys come along with me and be inspired as well. So let's get into it. Oh, and not to forget, thank you for watching. If you're a new timer, glad that you're here. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and please hit that subscribe button so you can join our family, and the notification bell as well, so you know the next time I upload a video. And for my old timers, thank you as always for rocking and rolling with me. I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. So without further ado, let us go into Restoration Hardware Gallery. Okay, let's go. So when my son and I were talking about, giving his room a makeover and just, kind of picking his brain about what he wanted, he'd mentioned that he wanted a black, white and gold look in his room, that kind of style. So I was like, oh yeah, that's very Restoration Hardware-ish look, so this room would be like paradise for him. And I was like, yeah, that's nice. I like that. But why don't we add some warm tones to it? And he was like, yeah, Mom, that sounds great as well too. Let's go for it. So this is beautiful, but we want more. So we'll keep looking for more inspiration. So my son is in love with this light fixture. He wants this one for his room. Scale wise, it's a little too big because his room is not as big, or the ceiling is really not as tall. So I'll get something that is relatively close to this, but just as gorgeous. So yeah, but this is the style that he wants for his room. So he's pretty happy. Obsessed with this coffee table. It would just be perfect in my home, but not at the moment. But it's so gorgeous, and love the rounded edges. I noticed a lot of that in their furniture pieces and what have you. Love this tribal art piece and a picture light right over it. That's really cute. I showed my son and I told him this is the idea that I have for his room. I wanted those art pieces over the bed and mirrors on the side. So I'm going to do like maybe picture light over the mirrors or picture light over the art pieces, one of them. And then, you know, have like a, maybe a side, an accent chair with a task light over it. But this is exactly what I want to replicate in his bedroom. So, and he loves it. So I'm like, okay, mommy's got her work cut out for her. So this room is everything he wants. So mama's gonna get to work. Oh, that chandelier is stunning. Look at that. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Love all the designs. Okay, and that ends our tour of Restoration Hardware Gallery. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did. I'm really inspired and pumped by everything that I saw, and I have a clear vision of what I want, a precise a vision of what I want for my what my son wants in his room. So he's given me ideas, and we're going to work with everything that we've seen and create hopefully a masterpiece for his room makeover. So pretty excited about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, let me know what you guys think of the new designs and everything. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And my old timers, as always, thank you for rocking and rolling with me. I always say it, but honestly, I appreciate you guys so much. And we have so many new followers that have just joined, or subscribers that have just joined recently. So thank you guys for joining our lovely family, and look forward to sharing lots and lots more inspiration with you guys in the coming days and weeks and months and years. And we say cheers. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely evening, guys. Take care. Cheers.